Have you noticed your knees feeling weak, stiff, or painful lately? For many people over 50, knee problems can be an early warning sign, not just for mobility loss, but for overall health decline. Weak legs often mean less physical activity, and less movement can lead to weight gain, poor circulation, and even higher heart risk. But here's the good news. You can fight back naturally. Recent research shows that certain anti-inflammatory foods can help protect and rebuild joint tissue, improve flexibility, and reduce pain. And one of the easiest ways to get them into your body is with a simple morning drink that takes less than 5 minutes to make. Here's what you'll need. Turmeric powder. Turmeric is a golden-colored spice that's been used for centuries in Indian medicine. It contains curcumin, a natural compound shown in studies to reduce knee pain in people with arthritis. One study published in Clinical Rheumatology found that participants who took curcumin supplements experienced significant improvement in knee function and quality of life compared to those on a placebo. Another study in the Journal of Clinical Medicine found that curcumin was as effective as ibuprofen in treating osteoarthritis symptoms. That's impressive because ibuprofen is one of the most commonly prescribed anti-inflammatory drugs for joint pain. The reason curcumin works so well is that it has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is your body's natural way of healing itself from injury or infection. But sometimes inflammation can become chronic and over time can break down healthy tissues if left unchecked. Curcumin helps turn off this harmful kind of inflammation by blocking proteins that promote it. It also protects against the breakdown of cartilage and other joint tissues. In addition, curcumin helps relieve pain by reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals like prostaglandins and leukotrienes. So for your morning drink, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You'll get a nice golden color and all the anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant whose root is commonly used as a spice or medicine. It has a pungent, spicy flavor and a long history of use in traditional medicine for various ailments. In recent years, ginger has gained attention for its potential health benefits, especially for joint pain and inflammation. The active compounds in ginger called gingerols and shogaols have been shown in studies to reduce inflammation and pain. One study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that participants who took ginger powder supplements 3 times per day for 3 months experienced significant reductions in pain and disability from osteoarthritis compared to those on a placebo. Ginger also helps improve blood circulation and reduce stiffness. This is because gingerols help relax smooth muscle cells in your blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow. Improved circulation means that vital nutrients and oxygen are delivered more efficiently to your joints and tissues. This can help nourish cartilage cells and reduce stiffness. So, for your morning drink, add half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Freshly grated ginger will give you the strongest flavor and most potent effects. But if you don't have fresh ginger, the powder works too. Lemon juice. Lemons are highly astringent, meaning they help with joint pain and swelling. They contain a variety of beneficial nutrients, such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and citric acid. One nutrient that stands out is vitamin C. As we age, our bodies produce less vitamin C, which can lead to weaker bones and joints. Studies show that people with the lowest vitamin C levels are twice as likely to develop knee osteoarthritis as those with the highest levels. Vitamin C is important for maintaining healthy connective tissues like tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. It helps build collagen, the main building block of these tissues. Vitamin C also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and swelling. Plus, vitamin C boosts the production of antioxidants that protect your joints from free radical damage. So, for your morning drink, squeeze in the juice from half a lemon. This will give you a nice citrus flavor and lots of vitamin C. Be sure to use fresh lemon juice and not the bottled kind, which doesn't have the same potency. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They're a type of superfood that's packed with nutrients. These little seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals. But what makes chia seeds truly special is their unique combination of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are crucial for maintaining healthy joints because they help lubricate and cushion the cartilage that cushions your bones. Research shows that people with the highest omega-3 intakes have a 25% lower risk of developing knee osteoarthritis than those with the lowest intakes. Omega-3s also help reduce inflammation and pain throughout your body. They do this by blocking the production of pro-inflammatory chemicals called cytokines. So for your morning drink, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds that have been soaked for at least 15 minutes. Soaking them allows the seeds to absorb water and expand, making them easier to digest and more readily available for your body to absorb all the nutrients. A little goes a long way when it comes to chia seeds, so there's no need to add more than a teaspoon. Warm water. Warm water is more easily absorbed by the body than cold water, which means you'll get faster relief from your morning drink. When you heat water, you increase its molecular activity. This makes the water more dynamic and capable of carrying nutrients into your cells. In addition, warm water helps kickstart your digestion, which aids absorption of nutrients from your food and drink. Improved digestion means your body can extract the anti-inflammatory compounds from turmeric, ginger, lemon, and chia seeds more efficiently. So use warm water to mix all the ingredients and reap the maximum benefits. Just make sure the water isn't too hot, or else you'll damage the delicate compounds. Now let's put it all together. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, or a quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, the juice from half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of soaked chia seeds, and pour in 1 cup of warm water. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Your golden-colored drink is ready. Now enjoy it every morning on an empty stomach. It's best to drink your morning stiffness fighting tonic first thing in the morning before eating breakfast. This gives your body a chance to absorb the nutrients while your stomach is empty. Over time, you'll start to notice improvements in your range of motion and feel less stiffness in your joints. You may also find that you experience fewer aches and pains, especially in your knees and lower back. Sticking to a routine is key. Make it a habit to enjoy this drink every morning. Consistency is what will allow the anti-inflammatory compounds to add up and make a difference over time. And here's an extra tip. Pair your morning drink with light exercises like morning stretches or a short walk. Gentle movement helps deliver nutrients to your joints and keep them lubricated. As you become more active, your body will naturally start to feel better. So for best results, follow this 2-step plan. Drink up every morning and move your body gently. Together, these steps will help you fight back against stiffness and feel healthier and stronger. Over 50, your joints don't have to be a source of pain or limitations. With a few simple changes like adding a daily anti-inflammatory drink to your routine, you can keep your knees and other joints strong, flexible, and resilient. Try this golden tonic for at least a week and see how you feel. You might be surprised at how much better your body feels when you fuel it with the right nutrients and a little bit of sunshine. Remember, it's the small changes that add up to big results. So start your mornings off right and give your joints the love they deserve. Thank you for watching. Over 50 Health and Fitness, your trusted source for science-based health tips to help you stay active, strong, and independent. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who may benefit. Stay healthy and keep moving.